Hello. By now I hope you all have watched the YouTube video on indents and tabs. For those of you that did not, I've placed the link up here in this document. You can also find this video at gcflearnfree.org. You can find great videos on all the Microsoft applications. You can also find great written training guides. Most of the videos on this site are 2 minutes to 5 minutes long. Very quick, but incredibly well done. Very useful for helping us to learn all of the wonderful features in these Microsoft applications. I'm going to assume that you've all watched the video, so I'm going to take us a step further. In the video, you watched how tabs were set up to create nice even columns. So we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to highlight these lines and we're going to click up here on the ruler and we're going to place a left tab. Then we're going to come down here in front of the $2 amount and press the tab key. We'll do the same thing on the next line and the next line and the next line. And it looks so much better because we have this nice even column here. But sometimes when the columns are far apart, when the eye is moving from left to right, it can get lost. And a dot leader can help us to stay on the same line. So again, we're going to highlight all 4 of these lines. And we're going to come up here and we're going to double click on this tab and it's going to open up this nice little pop-up window. Notice that the tab is at 4. We're going to choose that tab at 4 and we're going to click here and we're going to be able to insert a dot leader. And look how nice that looks. It really helps the eye travel from the food item over to the price. We could come back in, select these again, double click, bring up that pop-up window, click on the tab stop at 4. We could change it to a dash. Maybe we like that look a little bit better. The secret here is to select, then perform the operation, which in this case is to double click, choose the tab, and then choose the kind of leader that we want. Now once we have done this, we can very easily move our tab back and forth on the ruler. You notice how I'm making the columns closer together. We can move it farther out. And certainly when you have text over here on the left and text over here on the right and this big white space in between, having some kind of leader to move from the left to the right is very useful. That's all for now.